Are you hungry for the latest news and trends from the internet? Welcome to What's Cooking on the Internet, your one-stop shop for discovering the hottest digital delights. Hit that subscribe button and let's get cooking.
Can a president's power to freeze federal funding be too great? Comment below, what do you think? In the United States, the executive branch has significant control over the federal budget, but a recent move by President Donald Trump has sparked controversy and raised questions about the limits of presidential power. A U.S. judge has temporarily blocked Trump's order to freeze hundreds of billions of dollars in federal grants and loans, just minutes before it was set to take effect on Tuesday. Judge Loren Alikhan's order to pause the plan until next Monday at 5 o'clock EST, 10 o'clock GMT, came in response to a lawsuit filed by a group of organizations representing grant recipients. The lawsuit claims that the White House temporary freezing of already approved funding violates the law. The acting head of the White House Budget Office had instructed agencies to temporarily pause all activities related to obligations or disbursement of all federal financial assistance. The move was intended to give the new administration time to assess what grants and loans were in line with their agenda. White House Press Secretary Karoline Leavitt said Trump's plan to pause billions of dollars in U.S. government funding was about being good stewards of tax dollars. She claimed that the pause in funding would allow governments to cut back spending on woke gender issues and diversity programs. However, the move has sparked widespread confusion and anger among those who receive federal loans and grants, including nonprofits and research organizations. Judge Alikhan's ruling has temporarily blocked the White House directive, which could have impacted billions of dollars meant for federal programs, from disaster relief to cancer research. In a statement, Dan Yentel, the president of the National Council of Nonprofits, celebrated the ruling. Our lawsuit was successful. The U.S. District Court is blocking Office of Management and Budget from moving forward on its reckless plan to halt federal funding, she wrote. The lawsuit claims that Trump's order seeks to eradicate essentially all federal grant programs. The White House move has raised questions about the limits of presidential power and the potential consequences of freezing federal funding. While the ruling is temporary, it has sparked a wider debate about the role of the executive branch in shaping the federal budget. As the case continues to unfold, one thing is clear: the fate of billions of dollars in federal funding hangs in the balance.